Hello everyone, the Real Shark Bait here, and I'm doing a drone battle with the EmraldCart.
Hey guys.
But he can't show his face, so it's gonna be kind of complicated.
But wait.
He can't talk today, so
We'll work it out. There we go.
yeah. So so it has a camera and audio. So I'm gonna get into that, and you'll see the clips right now. Well, wait, hold on. Okay, guys, so we're on the drone time. Sorry if it's like all choppy. Sorry about that. Sorry if it's all like choppy and stuff. We just like need to do some stuff.
It's like technical difficulties.
Yeah. Okay. So guys, for some random reason, my controller won't work for the drone, and no, the batteries are not dead. So yeah, it just doesn't want to work. So I'm using my mom's phone. Whoa, we're gonna fight.
Oh, you wanna fight?
You wanna fight? You wanna fight?
You wanna put up this fight that you can't even handle?
Oh no. Yes. I'm sorry about that, guys. I'm gonna get DMR's drone for him.
Because it just doesn't seem like working. And he's closer to it than I am, so.
Okay.
Well, you must pick it up. Shark bait.
Oh, wait. Guys, my drone is being so freaking weird. Okay, guys, one second. Hey, guys, I'm really sorry about all the around footage and stuff.
Yeah, we are. We're truly sorry.
Yeah, we're very sorry about that.
I hope
it
you
was
guys
just
still enjoy, though.
Yeah, it's a drone. What do you expect? I mean,
and like drones, like even though drones are it's this century, like it can't catch everything, you know?
Yeah.
Especially
And well, if you had like a all the way around camera.
Yeah, especially because sometimes our cameras are really glitchy and like it won't catch up.
Yeah, it's weird.
With what it's actually at, yeah.
Yeah, so we're really sorry about that, but I'll leave a link to DMR's channel in the description. Description. Yeah, so subscribe.
Tap that bell so you never miss an upload of us, and make sure to go over to my channel, subscribe, like,
do all that stuff. Yeah, he do what he said. So yeah, bye.